Hello, Algebra. So today you're doing these digital task cards. First section of the Google form that these cards are on. Put your name, please. Put your first name and your last name. It'd be great. And I'm just going to show you on this first task card how this works, what we're doing. And maybe give you a better idea of how to do this percent change stuff. So what we're doing is we need to use this information, all right, so cost of a loaf of bread and 1 dozen eggs in 1977, and then the cost of those things. Today, which price had a greater percent change from 77 to today? So we have to find the percent change of a loaf of bread, percent change of the dozen eggs, and then decide which one was a greater percent change. And so we'll do that for, I think, 16 of these cards. It sounds crazy, guys, like it's a lot, but it's really not, okay? Once you get the hang of this, it's going to go by really quick. All right, so let's, oh man, my drawing board not gonna work. All right, so let's do this one together. So if I were to write this out, I would first do the loaf of bread. So loaf of bread. Okay, like we did in class and on your worksheets, we had the original, I'm just going to label that with O. The original would be our price in 1977, which was 25 cents. I'm going to write that in dollar form. So $0, 25 cents. And then our final, so the price today is $2.49. So we need to find our percent change. So to find our change, we do our final minus our original. Right? I should have brought my calculator out. Let me grab my calculator quick because I don't want to take too long doing this by hand. So we do our final 2.49 minus our original 0.25. All right, so our change, I'll write that. Uh-oh, my thing froze. Sorry guys, things get a little wonky on me. All right, so my change is $2.24. So what that means is that the price of a loaf of bread increased by $2.24 from 77 to today. Now, to find my percent change, I do my change, so 2.24 over my original, 0.25. And to find this percent, okay, so what we talked about in class is writing a proportion, okay, and writing a percent as a proportion, or well, writing a percent as a fraction or ratio. We always write percents with a denominator of 100. That's just the easiest form. And so what we can do here is do cross products. So I can do 2.24 times 100, which is 224, equals the cross product 0.25 times r. And then to find r, I would divide by 0.25 on both sides. Divide by 0.25. So I'm doing 224 divided by 0.25. I get 896. Is that true? 224 divided by 0.25. Yeah, 896. So 896 equals r. And so that, now I have 896 over 100. And so this is where that last screen Desmos activity yesterday will help you today. We need to write this as a percent, okay? So usually if we have 100 out of 100, that would be 100%. We have 896 out of 100. We just use this number on top, since it's over 100, that is our percent. So the loaf of bread percent change is 896%. I know that sounds crazy, but if you think about the price in 1977, 100% is 25 cents. 200% of 25 cents would be 25 cents doubled. So 200% of 25 cents is 50 cents. All right, we're jumping all the way to 249. So this 896%, that does make some sense. All right, let's look at the eggs. Okay, I'm going to show you another way. So our original is $0.59, and our final is $1.99. So our change would be final. So change is final minus original. So I have $1.99 minus 0.59. I got $1.40. Alright, so my percent change is my change. So 1.40 over my original, which is 0.59. Now, we can set up a proportion. That might be really easy because we get a percent pretty easily. Or what we can do to write a fraction as a percent, what we do is we can divide these. So we do 1.40 divided by 0.59, and I get like 2.37 288. It keeps going on, so I'm going to round to 0.373. Alright, this is a decimal. This is not a percent. To write something as a percent, alright, so I have 2.373. To write something as a percent, if we didn't get to it in class, I will get to it now. To write a decimal as a percent, you take the decimal and you move it to the right 2 places. So our new percent would be 237.3%. Alright, so that would be the, whoops, sorry guys. That would be the percent change for the eggs. And then, so which had a greater percent change? Well, the loaf of bread did. So we would select that one and move on. And you do that for each task. It really shouldn't take too long, guys. I know you can do it. It's not going to be too bad. If you have questions, feel free to email me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.